Here is a drone shot of the ONE X2. If you are afraid of height, don't look down. The sharpness of the ONE X2, even with just the same sensor size as ONE X and ONE R, still have a great improvement. You can see the ocean from here, which is miles away from where I am. Today, we are going to do a side-by-side comparison among all consumer 360 cameras, Insta360 ONE X2, ONE R, ONE X, GoPro MAX, Qoocam 8K, and even the brand new Labpano Pilot One EE to see which is the best 360 camera for immersive content creation for Oculus Quest 2 or YouTube VR. It is highly recommended to watch this on a VR headset if you have one, but your mobile phone or 4K TV will also work. Look around please, this is a 360 video. If you are ready to see how much better ONE X2 compared to ONE R or GoPro MAX in 360, let's dive right in. Here we have ONE X2. Our model kitty will go around the camera to test stitching quality, but if you pay attention to the chart, you see the sharpness is greatly improved on the ONE X2. Stitching quality is what I really want to show you. ONE X2 has the best stitching quality compared to ONE R and the old ONE X. When our model walks around, the stitch still breaks down as the chart and her is only 2 feet away from the stitch line. No camera in that close distance will not break down in stitching. On the stitching topic, no one seems to look at the nadir at the bottom of the camera or top of the camera. If you look down right now, you see the almost perfect circle of my round microphone stand. Later you see in ONE R and the old ONE X, they both have really horrible top and bottom stitching artifacts, which is the biggest complaint from the professional immersive content creator. So if you want to eliminate stitching problem, upgrade to ONE X2 from your ONE R or ONE X is the best way to go. Also noticeable to mention in all my tests, the drone shot you see here during sunset or driving down Venice against the sun, the red dot of doom is completely gone now. So after 3 camera, ONE X, ONE R and the ONE X2, Insta360 finally figured out the problem. Kinda funny as GoPro figured out even back in the Fusion day. Now let's look at the ONE R in comparison. I already covered my opinion on ONE R versus ONE X2 on my official ONE X2 review right here, so I will not bother you with my voice anymore. I will let you discover the strengths and weaknesses yourself to draw your own conclusion. Just remember to look down, look all around, look at the sun and shadow to see the image quality. Here we have the old ONE X. I think if you have a ONE X, you should really upgrade to ONE X2. The image quality and stitching quality is so much better, it is well worth it. Here we have the GoPro MAX. The resolution of GoPro MAX, which is not even 5.7K, is its weakness. We can clearly see that in the focus chart. I hear rumor MAX will have an upgrade to make it better, so don't lose hope on GoPro just yet. Now we have the Qoocam 8K. In the latest firmware, you see Qoocam 8K is a very underrated camera. Its close distance sharpness is the highest among all the camera except the Labpano Pilot One EE. It makes sense as it is an 8K camera. The dynamic range is almost a lot better than all the camera you just saw as it is a 10-bit camera. So if you do not own the Insta360 Pro 2 or the Insta360 Titan, I still think the Qoocam 8K or the Qoocam 8K Enterprise is an excellent prosumer camera. Lastly, we have the Labpano Pilot One EE, a virtual tool and live stream camera. This is a prosumer 8K camera, so the sharpness is the highest among all the camera you just saw. But Pilot One EE definitely do not have a good dynamic range compared to all the other camera, and it has 4 stitch lines you have to deal with. So the great resolution does come with great inconvenience. That is why this is a prosumer camera, not a consumer camera, and it's way too heavy to carry around like the ONE X2. But nonetheless, great camera for virtual tour and other professional users like 360 and livestream. My official review of Pilot One EE is coming next, so don't forget to subscribe to Creator Up for an in-depth technical review. On the topic of virtual tour, how was the ONE X2 pure shot 360 photo compared to Ricoh Theta Z1? Here you go. This is the pure shot of a ONE X2, and this is the Theta Z1 DNG RAW. Comment below to let me know if you will use the ONE X2 for your professional virtual tour production. In the next video, we will go one step further to test pure shot in low light, which is where it shines compared to Theta Z1. We will see if ONE X2 can handle low light production compared to ONE R, Qoocam 8K, and GoPro MAX. If you have not already, you should check out my 2D review of the ONE X2. It is really good. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next VR video. Ciao!